Welcome to Tech with Room Brothers. I have an ongoing project with me that I'm modifying and upgrading that has a poor pickup and performance issue that I spoke about in the previous video. So I'm upgrading this with performance brass chain and sprocket kit from Roll-On. Brass is corrosion resistant and has longer life and has significant performance upgrade to the OEM chain. With this project, I didn't want to play with the sprocket size and teething. So Roll-On offers a bolt-on kit which doesn't need any modifications for this particular bike. This kit comes with a pre-lubed sealed brass chain and induction hardened sprocket to withstand high speeds and temperatures without compromising performance. This is going to be our second mod on the Suzuki GXR SF series, and if you haven't watched the previous videos of what this project is about, you are missing a lot, as it would help you a great deal in maintaining your own motorcycle. Follow Room Brothers for such interesting content and comment down below